To enable and use Nowbar in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to look for the lock screen and AOD options, and then you can find Nowbar right here. If you enter it and want to use it, then you'll need to make sure that all of the apps that support it are enabled, and the apps that you want to use are actually enabled as well. So make sure that this list is filled with your apps and they are on. If you don't want to use it, then you can turn off each and every option. Then when you have this active, you can lock your device, and then if you unlock it or wake it up, you will see Nowbar on the bottom. For example, I have my clock active there, so I can see the time running currently on my phone for last 12 hours. And there's also Now Brief. If I select it and unlock my phone, I will get to Now Brief. This is the option that shows you the overview of your current day, like the weather and etc. So you can activate the Now Brief right here, and then you can toggle on and off your Nowbar on specific settings in your current mode, in Do Not Disturb mode, and in the flashlight mode. You can also access Nowbar in Always On Display. When you enter it right here, you can enable Show Nowbar, and then if you lock your device and toggle on Always On Display, it is also visible right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.